behind you, baby.
This is from Mommy and Daddy.
Come on, why is it a package?
Paul went to get the knife.
What?
Wait.
Check.
Okay.
Go.
What is it? Come on, let's go. Easy.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
What is
What is it?
How am I supposed to know? Whoa, a new Kindle Fire!
It's not a Kindle Fire. They're tablets.
Woo! That's Fruit Ninja!
That's what goes in your blue bag.
Fruit Ninja!
Duh.
Wow.